everybody, it's Amy here at the Peterborough Town Library with another Take and Make Summer Storytime Craft. Today we're making monsters! Yay! So in your bag you will have a special cut tube and a tongue depressor and googly eyes and feathers and pom-poms and all sorts of other good things to make a monster. So we'll do a little tutorial here, although yours will come out totally different and unique, which is what's so fun about this craft. So you want to start with your toilet paper roll, and it does have a top and a bottom, although you could be creative and do it however you'd like. We punched some holes in the bottom to make armholes. So you can put your tongue depressor through the back. There's some holes cut there too, so you have your puppet, and then it gives your roll some stability as you're working on it. And I think I'm going to start with the arm. So I've got some pipe cleaners here that I'm going to put through the holes and twist to lock them in place. Do one on the other side. It's already looking monstery. Maybe bend some fingers here, like this. Look, it's a monster hand. Perfect. Wrap that around. Oh. Yes, this looks so good. Make another little W kind of looking thing here for another monster hand. Wrap that on. All right, let's get some teeth on this guy. That's really gonna help. We've got some glue. You could use tape, bubble gum. That won't work very well. Could be fun though. Oh man, you guys, this is already looking so good. A couple of teeth to go inside the mouth here. I think this monster is gonna have 3 big teeth. 2 on the top, 1 on the bottom. He must not go to the dentist. Ah! And now we need somewhere for his eyes to go. So I think I found this piece of paper. I'm gonna fold it a little bit and glue along the bottom. You might have to set your monster aside and let it dry a little bit in between some of these steps. Oh, now it looks like a Christmas tree monster or something. Got a red and green thing going on here. I'm gonna put his googly eyes on these green spikes. I think that's funny. So like I said, you can be creative and do whatever you want. There'll be lots of fun supplies in your bag to make monsters. And I bet you have lots of these tubes hanging out around your house. You can make some more monsters. Let's see. I think he definitely needs a pom-pom nose. Especially because this one is crazy stripy orange and green. Stick it right there. I think that's good for now. So there's a monster. I hope you guys enjoy story time. Come see us at the library and make lots of monsters this summer.